Logistic model was proposed by P.F. Verhulst in 1838, and this logistic growth function is still followed in many papers appearing throughout the world. Application of mathematics to medical problems was first discussed by A.G. Mendrick in 1926. Contributions to the theory of epidemics were published by W.O. Carmack and A.G. McKendrick in the Proceedings of the Royal Society in 1927. Papers related to Volterra's work were published by A. Kolmogorov, I. Petrovsky, and N. Piskunov in 1936 and 1937. And population dynamics were made by A.J. Lotka in two papers published in 1923. Two papers were written in population dynamics by Professor J.N. Kapoor and his followers. The first book on bioeconomic modeling was written by Professor Colin Clark in 1976. I participated in 1982. Thereafter, I gradually shifted my research to the areas of operation research and mathematical ecology. Leaving fluid dynamics, my original area of socialization. Nowadays, I see very few teachers inclined to change research areas. I draw attention of all the mathematicians present here to this type of situation. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor Gauri Datta Sharma, Pro Vice Chancellor, STM, Assam University, Silchar, to say a few words on the question.
Dear students, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure for all of us that the Department of Mathematics is organizing second national seminar. And the department is making continuously the efforts to bring the department to not only on an international map, but also to produce the human resources in different fields of mathematics, which are newly emerging fields. As our honorable guest of honor, Professor Chaudhary, has suggested, he has advised us to open the biological mathematics. As PVC STM, I will only assure that, sir, in next time when we revise the syllabus, we will certainly consider the opening of biological mathematics, because there is a need. We have a strong school of life science, and we always feel the lack of the mathematics related to the biological science. You rightly said that a number of natural resources which follow very much the mathematical theories, we are unable to know and explain them. Recently, some of the work, particularly in ecology department, one of our colleagues, he started on the architecture of the trees and how the sunlight can be catched by the trees, particularly in a forest system, where each species is competing for sunlight, for their survival, for the photosynthesis. And they have produced different kinds of models that the forest try to trap each ray of the sun, so that the forest becomes maximum productive. And therefore, this also try to utilize the landscape of the place, the species composition, and I feel that the advice given by Professor Chaudhary is a very rightful advice, and it is in a right time. And this is one of the reasons that how these national seminars are helpful in giving new directions to the department to create more interdisciplinary areas so that our students, research scholars and faculty members can get benefit out of it. As our Honorable VC has mentioned, the Department of Mathematics has been making significant contributions. A number of students have cleared NET, SLET and GATE exams. The department is also having Professor Biswas as one of the chief editor of the Journal of Science and Technology, and our faculty members are making significant contributions. The Department of Mathematics was the first department in the university to get the support for establishing departmental library from the Government of India, the Government of India. The department also got special support from UGC to establish computer laboratory. So the faculty members, they are trying their level best to get more funds from different sources in the form of research projects, in the form of different grants, so that the funds available from university can be enriched and therefore the growth can be more fast than the normal course.
Thank you, sir. May I now invite Professor Gautam Biswas, Pro Vice Chancellor, HAD, Assam University, Silchar, to kindly address the gathering.
I think we can join our Vice Chancellor in remembering that these 33 departments at present, the way it is reflecting the knowledge stock of the entire world. It was not the scenario earlier in Assam University, but today it has become the real scenario. So whatever is there, whatever is happening in the world, we get to know from our colleagues, from our own departments. And they are progressing in terms of having many seminars of this kind, important seminars and conferences of this kind, and also with the introduction of new courses. Just like just now, the idea of floating the course on biomathematics has been initiated, as we talked about. But we should also know the importance of mathematics from different angles. Mathematics is the mother of everything, including philosophy. And I am reminded of the story that Descartes said, that if God is all perfect, then why do we commit mistakes in mathematics? The answer was, to err is private. It is not the fault of the God. But we do not have God as teacher these days, very, overtly. I don't know. It is mostly related to the people who are in the doing of faith. But we are having human teachers, definitely. And human teachers, I believe, because I am very bad in mathematics. I was bad in mathematics, and I am bad in mathematics. But I know the glory of mathematics, and I have great admiration for mathematics. Because without mathematics, philosophy is impossible. Though I am in the department of philosophy. Plato wrote on his academy, the person who doesn't know geometry should not enter my academy. I would not have entry to his academy. And think of Descartes, who was mathematician. Think of Husserl, Edmund Husserl, founder of phenomenology, mathematician, and Bertrand Russell and Wittgenstein. They're all mathematicians. There are many mathematicians, including Karl Marx, who had a manuscript on higher mathematics. It goes unnoticed by many people.
Husserl led to Derrida.
Husserl led to Derrida. And now the question of, the way, the problems we keep facing. There are different types of measurement, not one type of measurement. Had there been one type of measurement, Shakulei Tintala Gangai. but we are singing in with different bits. And this measurement has created beauty in the world. How? If we remember the famous lines of Tagore, Nrittara Vasha Sundara Kula Vidrahi Paramanu, Padajugogiri, Jati Munjire Bajira Chandra. So, but there, as I said, that there are different types of measurement, and we must learn from the mathematicians. I believe, I would like to finish our point up very quickly, that it is possible in the part of the Department of Mathematics to float a course for everybody, so that mathematics becomes interesting to everybody, and we develop certain special intuitions through mathematics, which are applicable to different areas of study, including literature. Just now we were remembering Mihir Chakraborty, who has written a wonderful book in Bengali, Goniter Dharapato Kalpashandra, where he is talking extensively about Veena Mujumdar, the poet, who was also a mathematician. So this is how I think mathematics department can create a revolution within the domain of, within the scenario of Assam University. And Assam University will show path to each and every university of the world, that this is how mathematics can contribute to the intelligentsia. Okay?
Pleasure to be associated with an event which has a national implication, because it is a national conference on recent advances in mathematical sciences and their applications. I'm not a great mathematician, my background is economics, but I know how important mathematics is in everybody's life. A person may not be a great philosopher or great academician, but look at a vegetable vendor. He knows how to calculate his business or transactions. So mathematics is in fact rooted even in the common men in everyday life. I also recall that how hard and how great the work done by Professor Debojyoti Biswas and Dr. Kauravi Datta Chaudhary throughout last couple of months to organize this event, and from our part we have very little contribution to the grand success of having it. During this conference, I wish all the delegates to have a very convenient stay and a very meaningful interactions in their day-to-day technical sessions. And life is a concept which can also be described in mathematical terms, because life, as I understand, is a progressive retardation. We take birth and we tend to decline in every day in the terms of mathematics. With these few words, I wish the conference and the organizing team a grand success. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I now invite Professor Debojyoti Biswas, Chairman Ramsar 2010, to address the gathering.
I welcome you all to this national conference, Ramsar 10. Now, at the outset, I want to tell you one thing, that our chief guest, our guest of honor, Professor Shamsul Alam, Vice Chancellor, Alia University, Kolkata, and former head of the Department of Mathematics, IIT Kharagpur, could not reach here because of some schedule, but he promised me that he will reach us and he will come in our midst at any time. And also, our former head of the department and former Dean of School of Physical Sciences, Professor G.C. Sharma, could not reach in time, but he will be joining us. And also, another of my predecessors, Professor Tanmoy Shom, right now at BHU, he will be also joining us. And also, some other delegates from IIT, Guwahati, and other places, Guwahati University, they will be joining, and others will be joining. Now, our honorable